True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. So today guys, my location is in Nain, St.Elizabeth. Yeah man, I'm calling it so Crossroad. I know a lot of people don't know what is Crossroad in Jamaica still, you know. I'm calling it Crossroad. So keep on watching. Yeah man, so I'm in the Nain area. So big up on yourself, anyone who watch from the yard and abroad, you can big up on yourself. You know, so everybody wants to know about our beautiful island Jamaica. You see the dark cloud in the sky. Yeah man, I can tell you, so hopefully we get some rain today because you know the summer heat is on in St. Elizabeth. Yeah man, so if you make the right turn, we'll take you all to Nain High School. So welcome, you're in the Nain area. What about the countryside in Jamaica? A lot of people forget the countryside. So I'm very close to the Alport area. Yeah man, you know, so Alport kind of locked down and things, so many people don't have a job, and I know a lot of people were looking forward for Alport open back, because without a job for surviving in Jamaica, anywhere in the world, it's not an easy task. Kids will go to school and everything, and Alport was one of the places where people looking forward to get a work so they can get some money to send them kids to school. So you know the Alport, them do backside mining. And you know, say from you have a plant like that closed down, a lot of people are going to lose job, lose money, everything. So you realize the economy will go down slowly, but hopefully things can change. Look in the sky. Tell us some dark clouds. It may tell you what go on. So I'm gonna make the right turn. If you go straight ahead, it'll take you all to Santa Cruz. So I'm in the speed bump area. When you come to the speed bump area, you see a lot of vendors out here selling kidnap and everything. So they can get to the little thing on speed bump area. The next right turn from speed bump, going towards Gutters area, you have a turn off for them call this, so them call this a new building. Yeah man, a very nice area. So I all need to give you an update on new building side. And also on your left you have the Too Sweet Lawn. Yeah man, when them keep them party. You know, people keep a lot of dance in Jamaica. Yeah man. As you see, no overtaking in this area. This road can be very deadly. Yeah man, as you see, no overtaking. On the two sides of the road you see a lot of logwood tree. Yeah man, I'm call it logwood. Very, very, tree is very tough. So we're having some nice weather in this area. As you can see, it's overcast. And you know it's a summertime. The summer is on. So you know say you need to keep yourself hydrated. Stay out of the sun. Need some rain to cool down the place. You know, in Jamaica, when you see somebody light you, that's form of indication it can be police is on the road or your friend. So you have to look out for the police them on the road when somebody lights up, you know. So that is one of Jamaica road code. As you can see, the speed limit in this area is 40 miles per hour. To me, it's a very lonely area though. As you can see on the two sides of the road, a lot of trees. I know a lot of people don't want to see that, they want to see big house and things, but you need to know the place inside or out. Don't normally look out for big houses and stuff. Try your best to know Jamaica streets, you know. So this road will take you all to the gutters area, Spur Tree. Also could take you back to Goshen, Pepper, Santa Cruz. And on your right, that is where you have the Alpart Sports Complex. Can see the road condition very, very bad. Every road is important in Jamaica. Every road. Because it will take you somewhere. So right here on your left, this is where you can right here on your left you see a lot of bags and stuff. This is where you have different market vendors come and leave them stuff to take to the market. So you have a banana, pumpkin, everything where you can think about. Putting on a soup pot, need to check out here. So pumpkin look pretty. If you make the right turn, we'll take you all to Little Ochi Seafood Specialist, which would be in Manchester. Also to Alligator Pan, Bullsav. So I'm gonna make the left turn. Yeah man, I make the left turn. Kind of a bit overcast now, so I have to see what I go on. Video gonna be a little bit dark, but don't watch the darkness. You will have some understanding where you at some point, at some moment. Look at this bridge. This is also a landmark. Everyone have to go under this bridge, which is 16 feet and 4 inches. So we're in the Mount Pillar area. If you make the right turn, it'll take you all to Mount Pillar community. It's a bleak day, very bleak day today. So we're in the gutters area. Right across, that's the Texaco gas station. That's where we have a Knoxford Express. So this is the Knoxford Express bus service. Mid-Island, here says Mid-Island. So thank you guys for watching the channel. True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid.